Hi, I'm Ray. Mass Camp back in full swing tonight. Weather is great. Let's see.
Spellbound continuing to weave its magic. Soca-shaped shakers into the groove at Mass Camp. The only place to be, and tonight, a 2-for-1 special.
It's amazing. Great vibes, great food and everything. Great liquor.
It's an every year thing, annual thing for me. I can't miss it.
Revelers happy to show off their best moves.
Are you jumping with Bacchanal this year?
Heck yeah, Bacchanal babes all the way.
The costume, Black Swan. Black Swan.
My favorite song. Dancing like you're single.
Trini selector Duchess at the controls.
Give it to me now.
Tracks like Gym Body pretty much describing some fans' fixation on the body beautiful culture behind Carnival. The Mass Camp Massive looking forward to Beach Juve at its new location, Grizzlies Plantation Cove, next Saturday. Destra, always a big draw.
More ER in Mass Camp next week.
We now